Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to search on Janitor AI. If you're looking for a way to search for characters on Janitor AI, then there are two methods. The first method is using the search bar. So let's get started. Launch open a web browser and type in janitorai.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to log into your account as well. And once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and look for the search box at the top. This is known to be the easiest and the most direct method. In the search box, go ahead and type in the name of the character you are looking for. You can also type in the keywords related to the type of character you are looking for example, wizard. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to see that the search bar has automatically suggested relevant characters as you type. Once you've entered your search term, click on the character you are looking for and you will then be able to see the character's information. Click on the chat option at the bottom in order to initiate chat with the character. The next method you will be able to make a search is using the categories at the top. You will be able to see the categories displayed at the top of the screen based on various attributes like genre, popularity, and theme. Click on the category to browse the characters within that group, and clicking on the character, you will be able to open up their profile. So that is how you can easily search on Janitor AI using two different methods. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the new video. Thank you for watching.